more and more popular, of course, our base is Singapore.
You do conduct for your Sugi massage like the workshops or class?
Yeah, I should drink.
We are
Virtual?
planning a workshop in Mumbai, I think in November.
I
Should also in Delhi, I think.
love to join.
I would love to organize in New Delhi. if I
Even
get
in
enough
Delhi,
work.
then I would also love to join. Yeah.
Because I know little Bharti can do massage. I know the Swedish massage as well.
Okay.
Like I'm a postgraduate in cosmetology. But the Sugi I heard and that's why I wanted to know more.
It's a mix of this
Yeah.
becomes
And for sure, like
Sug is handed. Gi is technique. Hand so we call sugi.
So if you're interested to attend a class in New Delhi, we have to organize something in New Delhi. Because right now we are organizing in Mumbai. So Mumbai we are expecting more than 10 of them. We haven't confirmed yet.
if the dates will, sorry. If the dates will gonna suit me, I can be in Bombay and Mumbai as well. Because like we are associated with the More Pacific.
Okay.
So we need to see our workshop schedule also. And otherwise Delhi would be the best place to learn something.
If you can organize like a few students, we are more than happy to come over to teach you. Because we need to get local to organize all this as well. So we have someone that's helping us to set up for Mumbai.
Okay.
So I'm not sure about New Delhi because we went to a similar seminar, small scale one. So the organizer there going to organize for us in Mumbai, the workshops there. So we are telling this one, if you guys are able to arrange something in New Delhi, we can work something out.
I'll check because
another product contain water 80% so quickly down. This is the only method.
हम लोग तो कम से कम देना चाहेंगे आप ये बताओ कि कितना दो
This is a product. These are the bottles. It has serums which helps tighten and brighten the skin. और ये झुर्रियों और छाइयों पे भी काम करता है. एंड अभी ये कोरिया, जापान, चाइना और सऊदी अरेबिया और ग्रीस और हांगकांग में एक्सपोर्ट करें. एंड दे आर फाइंडिंग डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स इन इंडिया. एंड it comes with a nano airbrush. It has this infuse has serum which will help
Can you show the bottles?
Yeah, these are the bottles. So it will help you to regenerate the broken collagen. Yeah, and also it comes with this. It
What
is
is
a
this?
set of 40 ampules, and this is the nano airbrush.
Okay.
So if
How to use it? Where to use it?
okay,
Who
so
can use it?
anyone can use it. It's
Okay.
not gender specific.
Okay.
So ये जो bottles है,
Mm-hmm.
तो इसको अगर ये सीरम की तरह है, if you
हाँ.
will use it by your hands, so lot of product go to waste. So they made this product nano airbrush which will help you to absorb this product very easily. So
You have to spray.
Yeah.
You have to put this product on this capsule.
Yeah, we have to. Let me demonstrate you. This is the empty bottle. ऐसे very conveniently इस पे आपको डालना है अपना प्रोडक्ट, ये जो सीरम से आपको इसमें डालना है, देन आपको इसको वापस लगाना है, विच इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी कन्वीनियंट. फिर इसके बाद अपने जिसमें आप इसमें अपना प्रोडक्ट डाल दोगे, देन यू हैव टू इट्स कूल इट लिटिल बिट. और उसके बाद देयर आर डिफरेंट मोड्स लाइक वन, जितना आपको प्रेशर चाहिए, देन you have to
Spray.
spray it. Just give me your hand. So see, spraying it, it won't go to waste, and
Okay.
it will absorb to your skin very quickly.
Okay.
And after spraying it,
Mhm.
you have to press it back, and only air will come. So it
Okay.
will help you to dry
Dry it
Yeah.
also.
आपको ये बहुत easily skin में absorb हो जाए,
हाँ, हाँ.
इसलिए इसको बनाया है. एंड इसको आपको ट्वाइस अ डे यूज़ करना है. सो आप जब आप इसको यूज़ करोगे, आपके 20 डेज़ के बाद इसके इफ़ेक्ट्स आना स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे.
Acha, what will be the effect of this on like you sprayed? I spray daily,
Yeah.
twice a day on my skin. What will happen to my skin? Basically, I can spray it on my face also.
Yes.
Face.
It will help you tighten and brighten your skin, and also it will prevent wrinkles
Okay.
and pigmentation.
Pigmentation.
Yes.
Okay.
And
And
also
it will
the
also
scars of
help
the face.
beautify the skin.
Yes.
It will help to remove dark circles.
I'm not sure about the dark circles,
Okay.
but yes, also the pigmentation and the scars of your face. It's actually a multifunctional product.
Multifunctional
Yes.
products. Okay. It will help basically to rejuvenate your skin.
Yes.
This is one of your products.
Yes.
So how much is this for?
This whole box contains like 40 ampules. इसमें 40 है,
Mhm.
and this comes with this.
Okay.
So this retails for I guess $200.
$200. Where?
17,000.
How are you retailing it? Through online sites or through your own sites?
Right now we don't have any distributors in India. So
You're looking for distributors.
Yeah.
You're here to expand your business.
Yes.
Okay.
So
So people who are interested, how can they contact you?
they can contact through our like business card. It has number of our CEO. You can
Okay.
contact him on WhatsApp.
Okay.
So through WhatsApp you can make deals if you want to like purchase or make big purchases. So you have to contact him.
Okay.
Yes.
People contact you in this number, right?
Yeah. Farm skin product. These are we have like lip products, and then we have serums, creams, and also masks, sheet masks.
It's
We
okay.
have all ranges of spot patch.
Mm-hmm.
These are the spot patch for pimples, and these are for this dark spots. Here we have the range for skincare for troubled skin like sensitive and acne prone skin. So we have here the cream, the toner pads, the sunscreen, the cleanser, serum, everything. These are the sheet masks.
Which are the sick marks?
These are the sheet masks.
Sheet mask. Okay.
Sheet masks.
It's
And
put. It's put on the face
they're for the face.
to rejuvenate the face and
Yes.
make it and. Huh?
Yes, yes. This one is for shooting,
Okay.
and this one is for white hats.
Okay.
And these are the lotions, like for back acne. When like people who have back acne,
Okay.
these are the lotion for that.
So you people are the manufacturers.
Yes.
Yeah, please, you can tell me.
So first you have to clean this area by using this cleanser. Then after cleaning, this is the main solution. Apply it by using the sticks. And in last, all you have to do is just cover this area by using this tape. And wait for at least 1 week.
1 week.
1 week.
So how will it help this to heal the area?
Yes, sir.
Basically,
This is properly for the healing solution.
healing solution.
Yes, sir.
When you wear earrings or something like that for
Like,
that, huh?
Obviously, when you wear heavy, that's why they damage this area
Acha.
by the weight of the earrings.
Okay, I get it. Okay.
For repairing this is the solution.
Okay. How can people contact you? This is the number in which people should contact you.
Yes.
Emails. And how can they purchase your products?
Online orders.
Online.
All over India delivery is available.
Online कैसे order करेंगे?
By contacting us on this number, and also we are available on Amazon and Flipkart.
You are having only just one product. This is your
Yes,
product.
sir. This
And
is
what
the
is the
only
price of the product?
So it depends. Like this is for 2400
अच्छा.
for 50 customers,
For 50 customers.
50 customers.
First 50 customers
Yes,
होगा.
sir.
ठीक है.
and then there is also 3500 for 150 customers.
अच्छा. Means it's like the number of customers. First 50 will get it for this price. Then,
No,
हाँ.
sir. It's depend on how many customer you want to treat. Like if
Acha.
you want to treat 50 customers, then this is our kit, like
Acha.
2400. And if you want to treat like if you have like 150 customer capacity, then you can take like 3500 kit.
अच्छा. Can you show that kit? 3500 kit?
3500 kit. It's available in a big quantity.
अच्छा. You mean to say this is for 50 customers and this is for 150
150
customers.
customers.
And what is the price for this 150 customers?
150 customers, 3500.
3500. Okay. MRP. Can you show the MRP please? This is the contacts, huh?
Yeah.
People contact.
Okay, so we are here at the Amore Pacific booth. So this is one of Korea's biggest cosmetic companies. This is like among the top 12 global companies. Then here we are displaying, the Korean that we have brought to India, and we are having a display of 7 brands. You can see Laneige here. So this is our brand which is much more focused on the lip category. We have lovely lip serums. These are our new launches. You can see a lot of flavors which are very relatable to the glazed donuts. So the whole idea is about, even if you see one of the textures, so the tube donut. So you can find our products on Nykaa, Tira, Amazon, Myntra, and all the major e-commerce portals. You can also check out all the products on Tira stores, Nykaa stores as well. You will find some of them on Shopper Stop as well.
Okay.
Yes, we are available there.
Okay.
This is our new product range. This is Mix Sleeping Mask, which we'll be launching in September.
Okay.
So from 1st September onwards, this will be
This
like
company
in all the,
name is
this is Laneige. This
Laneige.
is one of our brands.
One of
Yes.
your brands. Okay.
Yes. So this is
The main
this
brand
more
is
of an
Amora
addition.
Pacific.
Yes, the main brand is Amora Pacific.
Okay,
Then
okay.
also coming next to it, we have Innisfree.
Okay.
This is all Jeju Island. You will find the ingredients that are sourced directly from Jeju Island.
Okay.
So as you know, Jeju is one of the most green islands in Korea.
Okay.
So this is where the Innisfree founder decided to launch his own skincare brand, and they started curating some elements. You'll have a lovely green tea serum. This is one of our global best sellers. We have a green tea cream. We have the volcanic range, which has its cleanser, foam, toners, and there are some volcanic masks. So the idea of this being volcanic is that all the ingredients are from the the volcano. It has that volcanic cone.
Okay. It's made from the volcano.
Yeah. It has that stone is from the volcano's.
Acha.
Yeah.
Oh, but the volcano which comes out, so
Yes,
that stone,
yes,
it's
that
made
stone,
with
yes,
that stone. Okay.
That product is made out of.
Okay.
that
So
is
how
how
does it help the skin? The volcano, that
So
thing?
these are all exfoliators.
Oh,
These are
exfoliate.
masks.
Okay,
yeah,
mask,
These are all
okay.
masks and
Okay.
exfoliators.
Okay.
So they help your skin to purify and cleanse.
Okay,
So
okay.
basically, idea is purification. We have just launched a new limited range, cool mint chocolate. This is very summer friendly, more on the ice cream.
Okay,
And the
okay.
flavors are like that. If you see,
Mm-hmm.
this is our mint chocolate collection. It's a limited edition.
This is
again-
used for what?
This is again an exfoliator.
Exfoliator mask.
Yes.
Okay. Then you have to wash it
You
off.
can use once a week.
Once a week, then wash
Yeah,
it
and
off.
then
Wash it off.
Yes,
Okay.
wash it off
Okay.
with slightly warm water.
How can people buy these products?
So again, these products are available on our Nykaa,
Nykaa,
Myntra,
Myntra,
Shopper
okay.
Stop, Amazon. We also are there on Macaroon Beauty. So all the e-commerce portals. Then you can also visit stores of Nykaa, Tira, Myntra, Shopper Stop.
And suppose like what with the price points? Can you tell me about the products? Or with the price like
Yes, so the
ranges
prices
from?
are very affordable.
Ranges
like
from?
Clay mask starts from 1100 rupees.
Okay.
We also have like the super volcanic glow mask. This is for 1300 rupees.
Okay.
We
Okay.
also have some toners which are for 1400 to 1500 rupees. Majority of the range is like that.
Okay. Thank you. Guys, this is the program table for all the days. अब देख ये 3 दिन चल रहा है ये एग्जीबिशन. बेसिकली इसमें आपके साउथ कोरियन कंपनीज ने पार्टिसिपेट किया है. (28th, 29th and 30th.
Operates on OEM and ODM. UULNP operates on OEM and ODM model. And
What's that? OEM, can you explain?
OEM
is when clients give their designs to the company, and from there they manufacture and do everything and deliver the product. In ODM, the company does everything with the consultancy of the client. So they manufacture these products, like these products, these masks. This is a different brand. They don't have their own brand.
What are the products you're having? Can you just tell me?
These are mask sheets.
Okay, mark sheets. Okay.
These are the mask sheets. 3-step mask sheets.
Can you tell me
It's
the
like a
use?
routine.
Okay.
So it's for hydration. This one is for This one is anti-aging. So first you have to apply the serum, then the mask sheet, and then the cream.
Everything is in the pack.
Yeah, it's like a mini skincare routine. And then we have these products. These are our different skincare. Currently they are being locked. These are our skincare products. The blue ones are for hydration. Green ones are for troubled skin.
can you just-
Hydration.
Yeah.
Green ones are for troubled skin. Red one is for anti-aging.
Okay.
And the yellow one is for brightening.
Okay.
And these are really, really good products with
Okay.
plant-derived ingredients and scientific ingredients.
Okay.
And some of them have Korean regional ingredients as well.
This has to be used by ladies.
Yeah, even men can use it.
Even men can
Yeah,
use it.
but-
And where can they buy the products?
They cannot buy it. They don't do B2C
Okay.
business. They do
Okay.
B2B. So they
Okay.
will-
It's a B2B.
yeah.
Okay. So the person who wants to make their own manufacturing
Yeah.
type scenario,
Yes, yes.
things they can contact your company
Yeah, they can contact the company.
and give you orders.
Yeah.
So,
So,
hmm.
if you have any, if you want to know more
There's the
about the
scan.
products, you
That's
can
great.
scan this.
Okay.
It will lead you to the website, and then they will they will get back to you with the information, price list, and everything. And what else? They will get back to you, and they can send you samples as well.
That's it?
You can use aloe vera.
सैटरडे हम नहीं हुए शाम को जाना है शाम को।
Yeah, please.
So this is you want to
Hold on.
it's okay, I have already
Incubator.
Mm-hmm.
This basically has the idea of the sauna, the
Okay.
hot steam bath that we
Okay.
have in Korea.
Okay.
So it's used for painless, relieving pain
Okay.
in your knees. You can just sit here and remove pain, like relieve
Mhm.
pain in your knees, in your back. You can lie down, put it on your back like this, and it helps with the back pain. It helps with the belly pain if you have, like that. And we have this massage, not massage, we have this mat on which you can just put it on your bed and lie down so that you can have your whole back area on this mat.
Correct.
Eye patches.
Okay.
This one is with a vibrator. This one vibrates. This one doesn't vibrate. So
This for the soothing effect of the eyes.
eyes, yes. Sir.
Okay.
So
What's the price point of this?
So the vibrator one is for 13K.
Okay.
And this one is for 10K.
10K single piece.
Yes, single.
Okay.
piece.
Okay.
The
You guide me. Yeah.
and then the belt. So we have the belt.
Okay.
This is infrared technology,
Okay.
and which is for the back pain,
Okay.
and also for remote for like your belly fat.
Correct.
removal.
Okay.
So that's it.
What's the price for this belt?
The price in India is selling for 52K.
52K.
So discounts are available.
This is available. Okay.
The incubator is for 87K.
Incubator 87K. Okay. Can you tell your contact number where the people
Yes.
contact you?
Here's the. This is a Korean number,
Korean
so
number.
it'll be better to contact. This is the website.
Website. Here
You
the people can order.
Yes, so you can order from here.
Okay.
And
Are
we
you
have-
available on Amazon, Flipkart? Other?
No, sir.
No.
Not yet.
Okay.
Only on the website. This is the contact, the email ID available here. You can also contact.
Okay.
Thank you. Yes, ma'am. This is much more waterproof, long lasting, maybe for 8 hours. As of the किसने का है?
Eyeliner बोलते हैं. And this is much more blood, where blood and
This one, no. It was this one, right?
So this is one from
ये था. कोई इसको ये निकाल के ले गया वरना.
And how can the people purchase it?
They are not retailers. So
There's
they are
not
selling
retailer.
one or two.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, but
It's B2B.
Yeah, yeah.
Basically. Can you tell your contact so that the
Yes.
people will contact you?
Yeah, you can talk to the director.
It's okay. You can show your
Yeah, so
cards.
he's
People
a director.
contact.
Yeah, you can contact him, and you can drop an email and ask for the samples as well. Whatever is your requirement.